Have you got a 2020 to 2022 Ford Super Duty with OEM LED fog lights? If so, Morimoto's got just the fog lights for you. Previously, the aftermarket only had options that stuck out like a sore thumb, didn't look like they fit in place. Here at Morimoto, the product team spent hundreds of hours designing these brackets so they look right at home on the front of your truck. These fog lights are going to be the brightest in the industry for your Super Duty. They're going to be all-weather compatible, meaning they've got both white and amber options to cut through some of that foul weather. And they're easy to install. It's a bolt-in installation, no modifications required. Everything is plug and play thanks to a nifty little splitter harness. You get to retain the original fog light, but also add these beneath it. Thanks to the smaller than usual footprint of the Morimoto Banger products, we're able to stuff 2 pods into these fog lights, and they look perfectly in place. They don't stick out, they don't protrude past the grille itself. They look really good in the front end of that Super Duty. Ford did a pretty good job designing the OEM LED fog lights for these trucks, but the aftermarket and Morimoto were able to make it that much better. We're talking about an intensity increase, a width increase, thanks to the offset one bangers angling out to add the width. You've really got some crazy output coming from these. These new fog lights by Morimoto are fully adjustable as well. So you've got 6 degrees of adjustment that you can aim up or down. So if you've got a lifted truck, a lowered truck, a stock height truck, you're going to be able to get that aim exactly how you want it. These units are also designed to be totally air cooled. You'll notice little ducts in the bottom of the brackets that push air behind the heat sinks to cool off these pods as you use them. And like a lot of the Morimoto products, you're going to be backed by a great warranty. These fog lights are going to have a limited lifetime warranty, so you know you've got peace of mind to run them for the life of your truck. Now that you've heard all about these new fog lights, let's head on over to the install. To start the install of your 2020 to 2022 Banger fog lights, you're going to begin by installing your 2-banger onto the bracket using 4 of the T20 Torx head screws included with the 2-bangers. Loosely hand tighten to allow for aiming later. Install the 1-banger onto the bracket using 4 of the T20 Torx head screws included with the 1-bangers, again, loosely hand tightening to allow for aiming later. You will need to use a long T20 Torx bit to reach the inner 2 screws. Repeat these steps on the other bracket. With the included fog light splitter, you have the option of tying the 1-banger and the 2-banger into your factory fog light. To do this, connect the splitter to the pods on each bracket as shown below. Alternatively, if you don't want to tie the 1-banger and 2-banger into your factory fog lights, you can wire them up as traditional pod lights using 2 Morimoto 2-pod power harnesses, which are sold separately. Moving to the truck, use a plastic pry tool or a trim removal tool to pry the fog light bezel off the bumper of the truck. There are 3 clips that will release as you do, then set the bezel aside. Locate the circular mark on the fog light bracket and drill a 1/4-inch hole in the center of it. This can be done from the front, however you can remove the bracket first if you prefer. Moving to the back side of the bumper, remove the 15mm bolts securing the steel plate behind the fog light and set the steel plate aside. Using a small pry tool, pry out the 2 wire harness clips from the back of the fog light bracket. Place the bracket in the fog light cavity and align the 3 threaded holes with the hole you drilled, and the 2 holes you pried the harness clips out of. Install the 3 included T20 Torx screws and washers through the holes and into the bracket. Tighten them all down until hand tight. If you're installing the included fog light splitter, disconnect the factory plug from the factory fog light. Plug the factory fog light connector into the input on the splitter and plug the remaining output into the factory fog light. Repeat these steps on the other side of the vehicle. If you're going to be using your new pods as auxiliary fog lights, follow these instructions to properly aim them. Once you've set the aim of the lights, go back and tighten down the screws securing the pods to the bracket. If you are not using the pods as fog lights, set your aim as desired and tighten down the hardware. With the truck parked on level ground, 25 feet from a wall, measure the distance from the ground to the center of the fog light, and the distance from the ground to the top of the light's beam on the wall. There should be a 4-inch drop from the center of the fog light on the truck to the top of the beam on the wall. Using a small pry tool, pry off the 3 clips from the tabs on the back of the OEM fog light bezel. Transfer the 3 clips over to the corresponding tabs on the new fog light bezel. Snap the front fog light bezels onto the bumper, then reinstall the steel bracket behind each of the fog lights. So now you've heard all about the new Morimoto fog lights for your 2020 to 2022 Ford Super Duty with OE LED fog lights. If you're interested in a pair, head on over to morimotolighting.com to get yours now.